Visible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. It's visible.
Yeah, this is our project which was implemented in Bangalore. It's a kind of automated filling line. Uh, its capability is around 60 bottles per minute. So it will be filling the camphor. Camphor means the material which we use to burn in the temple. That one is the requirement for the customer, and we started from the basic. The every project is started from the basic scratch only in our company. So this was a starting model, and then we moved to step by step. We will build the materials. This is a conveyor line where the feeding will be here, and it will be moving towards the circle, and it will be holded with any of the semicircle, and it will be rotated to this location, and it will be filled here. Metal will be filled, then move to second location, then it will be capping will be done. Initially the cap will be released over the bottle, then again it will move to the third location, it will be capped, and again it will come to the fourth location for the labeling of the bottle, and then again it will go to the this end conveyor. So like that. This is a starting model where initially it was developed like this, then it moved to like can see. So this is the exact model of how it was built, and then it went to the production, and it has the IoT enabled. Like it will check for the labeling. If the labeling is not done, it will show the uh, show in the screen like these much bottles are not labeled properly, and need to be need to be taken attention of that, and each and every weight is also checked, and everything will be uploaded to the cloud through the IoT device which will be placed over the machine all over here, and every IoT device is capable of sending the multiple data at the same time. And this is another robot which is for the pick and place objects in the machinery department. So we usually want to take multiple products from one place to another place. So in that case we have developed a robot for ourselves, where there will be a hook will be there, and it can take payload of around 5 kgs. So it can move up and down from the bottom to up, and it's a prototype. Actually it has a capability of moving from the bottom to the 1 meter height. So when we give some instruction to the robot like through the computer, it will go to the location, and if it is a magnetic part, like if I'm asking to take it the nut or bolt which is the iron part, then it will go to the gripper location, and it will first grip the magnet to the gripper, then it will go to the bolt and nut section, and it will pick up the bolts. And if it is gripping papers or something like that, then it will go to the gripper location, then it will take the sucking mechanism, like there will be pneumatic sucking mechanism that will be loaded into the top, and it will go to the paper or stationary section, and it will go to the go and grip it. So these are all enabled with IoT only. So everything can be controlled from anywhere in the world. Even if you want to control this robot from America, Europe, anywhere, you can easily control. Just you need to log in into the IDs which are assigned to you, and you can control the same. And it will load to the satellite. That is a here is a video. It is for the around 4 companies who are participating in the same. You can see. You can see it will go to the location, and it will take the particle which we have programmed, and it will again go to the specified location, like say satellite, and it is actually a satellite, and the rover is there. So it will go on. It will put into the satellite again. We will be with a part of students, and we will be having a one-to-one, maybe like say 10 students, and one mentor will be there. He will be teaching how to do the projects by themselves, instead of buying from some shop or something. They can do it because the programming is not a big deal in nowadays. All formats are available, and so we go to the colleges and we will teach them in a very simple manner. They can easily, as we are very younger people, they can easily talk to us, and they can share what they need actually. So that like this only these things are done. We went to some colleges here in Chennai, and we did this IoT based inventor battery management system. Actually, we have planned to do something else, but one guy from the team gave an idea. We have an idea, but we don't know how to convert the idea into a product or service based uh, uh, output. So IoT has both service output as well as the product output. So when you make a device with IoT, it will come as a product. And when you enable a IoT device already purchased from somewhere, and you can attach it to the machine, and you can get the data, and you can show the customer in a screen. So that comes under the service. So people are having many ideas, but they don't know how to convert that idea into a product or service. So like that only we went here and we did this. It's very simple only, but we did it. There is a Wi-Fi module here. It will transmit all the data is collected from the battery to the server, and it will intimate the person when should he recharge it when the power comes low, or like current amount of electrons comes low. It will intimate the person who is using the battery. And if it is overcharged also, it will be auto cut off enable. So if it is overcharged, then it will cut off and intimate the person same. So you need a two devices. One IoT device should be with the battery, and another should be with the alarm system. So alarm system should have an IoT which is connected to the Wi-Fi, so that only when it is overcharged, the light will be blinking or the sound will be alarming. And able to understand what is the problem is. Prepared something else for presentation, but unfortunately I lost my PPT somewhere. I have pasted it here only. So these are some of the applications which I have prepared to tell you, like smart homes. Smart homes are the things which are again sensor based, and the TVs are controlled. Everything nowadays you can control the TVs, how many minutes it should be on, those things. And wearables in the thing like smart watches are there, and smart chains are there. So these are some of the main things, and we are mainly taking care of the smart retail, the retail shops with the smart racks and everything, and smart supply chain and industrial internet. So these things are the main 8, 9, and 5 are the main area which we are taking care of, and we are providing the solutions to the end person. And smart farming also available. Like it will measure the uh, how much water content should be in the. You can feed it how much water content should be there and moisture content should be there. How much the acidity and base everything should be there. You can program it, and as per that you can program the same to the uh, IoT device which are implemented in the farming area. So it will automatically take down the material and it will go to the farming area, and it will start automatically spraying that. As that I have shown you, right? Like some, it will pick up the particle and it will go to the specified location. Same thing here. Instead of the size and shape, we need to specify the rack which it should take. For example, if there is a HCl acid is there, then you can just program it HCl acid, take at 9 a.m. And feed around 10 square feet of area, 100 square feet of area. Like that, you can program it, and it will automatically take the material and it will go to the farming area, and it will complete in a. There is some algorithms like L algorithm is there. So it will along the farming area. It will do all the places without there is a gap. It will apply the um, fertilizers or whatever it may be, and it will apply and it will return back. So these are some of the projects, and we are mainly taking care of the retail, supermarket, and packing, and the filling machineries we are taking care of. And today I'm winding up very early. Uh, Thank you, ma'am. You
Okay.
can speak, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, Senthil, sir. And dear participants, this feedback link is shared in the chat box. You can fill that simultaneously. And I would like to thank Mr. Senthil for giving a wonderful session on the products and all. It was really interesting, sir, to just see and look into what and all are the products you have developed. Thank you for sharing your knowledge on all these IoT based products with all of us. And it would be even better. What I felt is if we have an industrial visit to your company or industry, maybe students will be more eager to learn about the things, all the products what you have shown. They will get even more knowledge and on how these IoT based things are being developed. So now
Yeah, sure,
I
ma'am. You
would,
can maybe you
yeah,
can arrange and you can come, ma'am. Before coming to our locations, you can let me know. I will arrange the other things here. In Coimbatore, you can basically you can each and every street is filled with industry only. So when you are coming to Coimbatore, you can have a great experience. And
okay,
when you are coming to our factory, please let us know. We will arrange the demo of all the kind of machineries we have and
yeah,
everything. And if you are having any doubts or any questions, and if you have
yes.
any suggestions, you can tell me.
So thank you for that thing that you have told. We will look into and we'll plan for an industrial visit, because instead of this online thing, if they have an exposure on how the things are working out in real time, students also will get more interest and also knowledge on the subject. And now I request participants, if they have any questions, queries, or any other things to be asked with the speaker, it's time for that. Either you can unmute yourself and ask the questions, or if you put in the chat box also is fine.
Good morning, Senthil sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am. Yeah, good morning.
This
Very
is
good morning.
Nandini from Congo Engineering College. So we are working at the computer science background. Okay, so now we have to develop any IoT application in the customization part we cannot able to do. So for
Ma'am, actually, your voice is
Ma'am,
breaking, ma'am. Couldn't able to hear it.
yes. Harshita ma'am, you are not audible fluently.
Hello.
ma'am, this is Nandini from Congo Engineering College.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it audible, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Sir, I have a doubt. In science
Yeah, tell me, tell me.
we have things.
No, your audio is breaking, ma'am.
I'm
I
really
think,
sorry, ma'am. I couldn't able to hear it, ma'am.
yeah, because you can put your question in the chat, ma'am. Yeah, means on in behalf of you, I will read the questions. You can put in the
Oh,
chat.
okay. So now my voice is audible, ma'am.
Means it's audible, but not. It's breaking, ma'am, in between. So we are not able to get the point. You can just,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, ma'am. I will post the query to chat box.
yes,
Thank
in
you.
chat box you can post. Meanwhile, any other queries can be taken up.